Tourism is embedded in our history, our community, and our culture. Landmarks offer clues as to how Traverse City, Michigan grew to be a year-round destination for visitors. Once an asylum for the mentally ill, the village at Grand Traverse Commons has been revitalized into a thriving community. Our story begins in 1881 when the state chose this site to build the Northern Michigan Asylum. The design of the quarter-mile-long Building 50 followed the Kirkbride plan with distinct features for improving mental health. The unique batwing design was angled to maximize sunlight and provide every patient with a view of the bay. Cross-ventilation and open porches were part of the Kirkbride plan, as they believed bad air contributed to mental illness. It took 3 years and 8 million bricks to construct Building 50, from the tunnels to the spires. The Victorian Italianate architecture was both functional and beautiful. This philosophy that beauty is therapy was a core belief of the asylum's first superintendent, Dr. James Munson. Munson believed the road to mental health was surrounded by beauty and grounded with hard work. He brought seeds, plants, and trees from across the country to beautify the grounds. The Great Lawn became an arboretum, which included an artificial lake and 69 different types of trees. Patients played a role in developing the grounds into a self-sustaining farm. The dairy herd grew significantly and included a world champion cow named Travers Calantha Walker, who produced over 200,000 pounds of milk. A festival in her name and a gravestone honor her to this day. At its peak, Traverse City State Hospital housed 3,600 patients. Cottages were added, each complete with a dining hall and nurses' station. Construction methods evolved, but attention to detail was not forgotten. Renovations reveal original marble floors, hand-laid tiles, and walls of solid brick beneath the plaster. As state regulations increased, medical care changed. Farm operations ceased, and federal funding was eliminated. The Traverse City State Hospital closed their doors in 1989. This historic landmark was falling to pieces, vandalized, on a path to demolition. In 2001, Ray Minervini presented his vision to rehabilitate the property. Minervini set his sights on creating a vibrant community where people shop, eat, live, and play. He worked from the top down on Building 50, replacing the roof and painting the spires red. The basement level is known as the Mercado, a marketplace filled with specialty shops, including an indoor farmers market in the winter. Patient rooms were transformed into offices and luxurious condominiums. Today, nearly 100 businesses call the village home. The laundry is now a winery. The fire station, a brick oven bakery. Abandoned buildings and lonely hallways are bustling with activity. One of the most dramatic transformations is the former chapel, now a magnificent community gathering place known as Kirkbride Hall. Over 350 acres of parkland are filled with trails for hiking and biking. A trip to the Hippie Tree is a family favorite, and the Great Lawn is home to outdoor festivals amidst the canopy of the Arboretum. Thanks to Minervini, the village at Grand Traverse Commons is one of the largest historical renovation sites in the nation today. Guided tours allow visitors a glimpse into the past, present, and future of one of Traverse City's landmark destinations. For more information about the village at Grand Traverse Commons, visit the Traverse City Visitor Center or go to traversecity.com.